Good night, partners and tutors. My name is Juan Pablo Morales Arias, and welcome to my video about my research project. I'm going to start right now. All right. So the results obtained are the product of the observation in class of the realization of the pronunciation activity. Yeah. The data obtained from the survey carried out are also related to all the elements of the sample. The data collection was carried out throughout the development of the proposed activities. The data validation strategy was the triangulation between the observation of the researcher. Yeah, for example, throughout the process. Yeah, the instruments used to posterior and the observations of the professor, of course, this was later. The thing was the alphabet. Yes, there were used some tools such as, for example, the web link to the British Council's Learn English Kids page. And so this, in basically, this activity consists of in these words. For example, we have the basic instructions for the developing test. Yeah. The teacher executed the introduction and discharge of of directing activities. Yeah, we have also the preparation, and then we have in the preparation we have the observation of a video on the pronunciation of the letters of the alphabet. The game, right? This is the funniest part. Was the funniest part for the kids. Yeah, the sounds of the alphabet. Choose the correct letter. Yes, basically the kids in the must choose the correct letter of the alphabet. Yeah, the game we have, and the other game was. The other game that consists in arrange it was about arrange the words, yes, the words in alphabetical order. Yes, arrange the words in alphabetical order. Yeah, we have the transcript of the video. Yes, for in this part the students watch the video and then repeat its visualization with transcript document. Yeah, and of course, we have the documents. A word that is a worksheet that serves as a reinforcement for the letters of the alphabet. The other thing we have here is all right, all right. So yes, basically is that, and also through an interactive activity, the student listens to the audios of the pronunciation of the vowels and the words. Yeah. Subsequently, yeah, the teacher makes the assessment of each student. Yes, the research has its difficulties indicated in the methodology section because the provision of the time for the proposed activities and the application of the tools interferes, of course, with the professor's work schedule. Yes, which are established before all of this process, of course. Yeah. So, nor could the next phase of the research be implemented, which consisted of the use of the e-learning tools in the classroom and with the tasks for the house. Yeah, this follow-up requires a much longer process to observe and collect all the necessary information to determine if e-learning strategies are efficient in the process in this learning process of improving the English language pronunciation in the students. Yeah. So another final factor to take into account is that the educational institution where the sample, yes, was analyzed presents problems of the endowment, yes, in the computer room to provide a computer equipment for each student. Yeah, and also students have a trouble, of course, having a computer device and obtaining data for the internet. from the internet. Yes, see, it's basically that there were some couple of problems because of the time. The students were a little bit slowly by learning, and also this kind of methodologies requires a lot of planification. Yes, a lot of time. Yes, so and even in this way, some students have some difficulties at learning and improving their pronunciation. Yes, and of course there wasn't too much time according to the schedule. Yes, according to the schedule established before. Yeah, by the institution. So yeah, those are the factors that you take into account during this learning process. Know that not everything could be sadly very sad done. Yes, not everything could be done into 100%, of course. But I think that there were some there were some students that learned a lot. Yeah, that even could remind some things about how to improve their pronunciation. Yes, but it's most of them were could hardly learn something yet because the time the time the planification of these strategies, yes, this yes the schedule. Yeah, so it's a little bit because of that it was a little bit hard to carry out all of this. But yes, this was basically everything I was working in all the time. So thank you so much, tutor and student, for watching this. So I'm seeing that in the next time. Bye bye.